Hello TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of RNDR coin. First of all, when we look at the chart on a daily time frame and a wide range, we can see a beautiful cup formation. Along with this, we observe a cup and handle pattern, which represents the inside of the cup and the handle. We can say that this is a very well functioning formation. If this formation breaks to the upside, we expect a nice upward movement in price. However, we can also say that it made a fake breakout and reversed after that, continuing its upward movement. Furthermore, when we look at the daily chart again, we have a short-term rising trend. This trend was broken to the downside. Additionally, in the long term, we can see a very nice rising trend here. Moreover, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we have a black rising trend. We will examine that shortly. Looking at our support and resistance levels, the price has almost reached the purple line. We do not want the purple line to break to the downside because in that case, the price will drop to the 2,226 level initially. Therefore, we do not want that to happen. Moreover, if the price holds at this level, we anticipate it to continue its upward movement. Also, in case these levels break to the downside, the important support area where price should hold is this section. This is a really strong support area, my friends. If we look further into the past, as it appears, we can see a 1, 2, 3 pattern, and we can see that it has not yet broken the support level for the 4th time. Therefore, we can say that it is a very strong support area. As for our resistance levels, the 2.779 level is a really strong resistance area. As we can see from the past, it has worked both as support and resistance. Currently, since there hasn't been a breakout yet, we can say that it is currently functioning as resistance. So, this is an important point. Additionally, let's start examining our indicators slowly after our analysis. After the indicators, we will conduct our analysis on the 4-hour time frame and slowly conclude our video. Currently, we have opened our Fisher and Wave Trend indicators. If we look at Fisher, we can say that there has been a breakout. As it appears, even though the day has not ended yet, there are about 5 hours left until the end of the day, but we can see that a breakout has occurred. This is actually interpreted as a strong sell signal. We interpret this breakout at the 2.65 level as a strong sell signal. Moreover, in Wave Trend, there hasn't been a breakout yet, but the volume in Wave Trend has really slowed down. As I'm indicating with the blue line, it has slowed down significantly. Therefore, my friends, we need to be cautious. Probably, within the next few days, or even tomorrow, we will likely see a downward breakout, giving us a strong sell signal. After this sell signal, it is possible for us to observe a downward movement in price. As mentioned before, it could drop to the 2.226 level. In addition, the 2.467 level, which is an intermediate support area, is also important. This is another support area that we have drawn based on historical data. Initially, if it drops to the 2.467 level, and if it continues to drop, we may see a downward movement in price afterwards. It is also anticipated to drop to the 2.26 level. Moreover, if the formation target works, we can say that we can achieve good profits. Lastly, let's examine the arena indicator and then move on to the 4-hour time frame chart. The RSI indicator is seen crossing above the 70 level. We can see that the RSI value has been decreasing since May 23rd. Of course, while the RSI is decreasing, there is no downward trend in price movements yet, except for the recent day where there was a downward trend, causing the RSI level to drop to around 64. Since the RSI level has fallen below 70, we interpret this as a sell signal. As long as the RSI continues to decline, we can expect further downward movement in price. If we look at the historical price-RSI correlation, when peaks were rising in the past, RSI peaks were falling. This suggests that price movements could decline. Although there is a small drop in this section, there could be further decline in the coming days because, as seen in the past, when price movements are rising, the current section shows an upward movement while RSI peaks are decreasing. This negative divergence suggests a potential decline in price. Therefore, caution is advised. These are our observations in arena, and if we examine the 4-hour time frame chart, as I mentioned before, we can see that there have been 3 touches on the black line in this section. If the purple line is broken downwards, the price movements will first touch the black line, and we actually want to see an upward movement from this line. Therefore, this black line is important. If the black line is broken downwards, we have already shared our targets with you. There won't be much change in the short-term targets, my friends. A drop in price movements can be anticipated towards the 2.467 level, and there isn't much to say about the 4-hour time frame. It is advisable to pay attention to our support levels in this area. Of course, breaking the 2.779 level will be more important for us. There are really strong resistance levels waiting for us above. When we look at the daily time frame, as it appears now, if the 2.779 level is broken, approximately these levels, 3.324 and 3.300, are actually important resistance levels for us. It is likely that we will see an increase in price movements towards these levels. Let's mention that here and slowly come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of RNDR with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay informed about future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.